KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these incredible turkey with bacon, mango and cheese filo parcels. This is amazing. Let's get on with it. Really nice and easy to do. Right, here I've got some turkey breast fillet steaks. As you can see, they look quite small, a little bit chunky. I'm going to put that on some oven paper, and we're going to give it a belt out with the flat side of our meat mallet, and we're going to spread these out a little bit. Okay, we're going to make them just a little bit flatter and a little bit larger so we can play with them. Alright, so just do what I'm doing there, just give them a good wacky. Okay, and now it's time to start getting everything else together. Okay, so here I've got a sheet of filo pastry. Right, I'll put that straight down on the board. Give that some spray oil over the top. You could use melted butter if you wish. Spray oil is a little bit more convenient. I'm going to add a second sheet of pastry straight on top, just like that. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Now I'm going to add in my turkey breast steak. As you can see, it's nice and thin once I move my arm, and that is going to form our basis for making these little parcels. Now, a good strip of good smoky bacon. This is actually a maple bacon, so it's even sweeter and better again. Nice big piece of fresh mango. Get them while they're in season. It's always the right time. I'm going to add in some roughly chopped and grated, really strong vintage cheddar cheese with a little bit of pecorino as well. That's going to give us another little sharpness to it. So just sprinkle that along your bacon like that. How easy is this to do? And if you haven't used turkey breast steaks before, you don't know what you're missing. They are an incredibly good little product. We're simply just going to roll these up like I'm doing there. Start from the bottom, work to the top. Bit of spray oil over the sides there on those loose bits. And all I'm going to do is fold those in just like that, and a little bit more spray oil, and that's going to help glue everything together. Just keep rolling that through all the way to the end, and all you have to do is repeat and repeat until you either run out of turkey breast or you run out of pastry. I've got my oven already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, the magic number. So just keep making those up like I'm doing there. Right, and what we can do, put those onto a baking tray. Use a little bit of baking paper, it always helps. Give it a quick little spray over like that, and I actually end up making 2 batches of these. They are really nice. Right, in the oven around about 20 minutes, maybe 25. Basically when they go golden brown like that, they are pretty much cooked all the way through. So you can serve this up any way you like. Right, I'm going to put a couple on this plate here, just like that. And if you haven't tried playing with filo pastry and all that before, look, don't be scared of it. It is a great product to use, and you can create things out of almost nothing. I'm going to serve that up with a little bit of a side salad there, like that. And I'm going to probably add in another piece of mango. Why not? Mangoes are absolutely beautiful here in Australia. A couple of dill pickles, just for a little bit of acidity. This is actually quite a rich little dish, believe me. That bacon and the cheese really makes a difference. And there you go. KP's turkey, bacon, mango and cheese filo parcels. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notification bell. Be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading. Love responding to them. Alright, I'm off to eat my turkey, bacon, mango and cheese filo parcels, and I will catch you next time.